I teach everyone.
Do you?
I do.
What are you teaching sister right now?
Because she doesn't know how to eat.
So you're teaching her how to eat her eggs?
She eats them with her hands all the time. But I'm teaching her. Man, these eggs are hard to stab. Yeah. You have to
Just scoop it up, buddy.
scoop it. I'll scoop it up my bed. Wait till Mom sees this, Dad. Mommy here?
Yeah.
Stay tuned, Jack. I want Mom to see this.
Is it good, Turbo?